judge to make sure everybody is ready. The excitement is reaching a fever pitch. We're checking out the finals. Is everybody ready? Last, if you're not ready, raise a hand. If you're not ready, raise a hand. Final checks. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you ready out here? Woo! Let them hear you. Woo! When you are ready, teachers, coaches, you may begin. And they're off. Moving right along down here on the big Lutheran table. 8 seconds into it. The concentration is so thick. If ever there was a Kodak moment, we have one now. You gotta look at yourselves out there with all those cameras. We're at about 45 seconds into it. Looks like we have three solved over here on the Cashman table. Oh, 7. We're up to 7 solved at the 1 minute mark. Number 8. 9 solved over here. On the foothills table, we've got 2 solved. 3. Over at Hyde Park, we've got 7. Faith Lutheran, we've got 3 solved. Looks like we have 6 solved over here. Another one solved at Hyde Park. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13 on the Hyde Park table. Meanwhile, back in Cashman Middle School, we are up to 25 almost. 25 solved.
We're not that important.
Holy smokes. 25 solved in 2 minutes, 16 seconds. Wow. All right, they're getting started. We're getting close over at the foothills table. The William H. Bailey table moving right along. Hyde Park has got all theirs done. Whoop, just one. At the Hyde Park table, we've got 24 done. 1 stubborn cube. No pressure, Jared. Everybody's watching. He's got, looks like, finished. Nice job, Jared. 25 done in 3 minutes and 38 seconds.